name is Youssef Hashash. I am the co-leader of the Geotechnical Project for the CTS investigation. The collapse that happened is a tragic collapse. It warrants that we understand what contributed to the collapse in totality. When we are doing some what we call geotechnical investigations or site investigations, we are trying to understand what kind of foundations we have, what kind of soils we have. We wanted to have a better understanding more broadly of the formations we are dealing with and the stiffness of that material. And to do that, we do what we call wave propagation studies. Say you're going to a grocery store, you want to buy a watermelon, you knock on it, you see, okay, how is it sounding? Well, we actually have techniques that are intended so that we can do this knocking, have a wave go through the ground, and then we listen to it on the other end. That wave speed tells us something about what we call the stiffness, whether it's a very hard or a soft soil. And sometimes we use it to understand where our foundation elements are, like the piles, the thickness of the basement slabs or the walls. We do these wave propagation tests to see, can these waves move through to the ground, into the foundation? And then we use those ultimately in building computer models that would allow us to complement the missing part. And so we can bring in the best field information with the best physics modeling of the structure that we had. For me, it's probably the most comprehensive investigation I have ever been involved with.